Be blessed by the divine. Is Ojo's breathing in Kayakalpa Yoga a contraceptive technique? Kayakalpa Yoga is an age-old, ancient Siddha secret technique which helps you to recycle your vital fluid and bring it back to your cerebrum area, your brain, and help you to increase immunity, and definitely helps you in withstanding the aging process, and perhaps also helps you to postpone death to one's wishes. According to our Guru, Sri Vethathiri Maharishi, who systematized this Kayakalpa Yoga and gifted it to humanity for us to succeed in our life. This yoga, it has two parts. One is the Ashwini Mudra, which tones up the nervous system, and the second part is the Ojo's breathing, which helps us to recycle our vital fluid. Now, this is taught in official centers of the Sky Yoga centers worldwide. We have over 2,500 centers. Usually the first Saturday or the first Sunday of every month is when this Kayakalpa Yoga is taught in most of our centers worldwide. Of course, each center follows its own rhythm and its own calendars, and therefore you should talk to one of our centers if you are interested in learning this, and they will be able to guide you better as to when you can attend this Kayakalpa Yoga in their centers. Now, when this Kayakalpa Yoga is taught, Ojo's breathing is also taught to you, and you will be able to practice this along with the trained Kayakalpa Yoga master and perfect it within about a few minutes. Normally, this is taught over a period of about 3 hours, which basically helps you to set a foundation of the theory behind or the system behind the Kayakalpa Yoga, and then about half an hour to 45 minutes or so is dedicated for the practice itself of both the Ashwini Mudra and the Ojo's breathing in various postures that need to be practiced in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night, and so on and so forth. Now, during the Ojo's breathing, since the vital fluid is separated from the seminal fluid and recycled through the body, oftentimes this question comes up: is Ojo's breathing an officially contraceptive technique? The answer is no, it is not. We do not recommend Ojo's breathing as a surefire contraceptive technique because of various reasons. Number one, not much scientific research has gone into using this technique as a contraceptive technique. Number two, there is a lot of circumstances and individualized variations that may take place in the practice, and which we cannot control and monitor. Third, the maturity and the physical condition of each aspirant may also have an effect on this particular technique. Fourth, this assumes that as a technique, you should be able to remember to practice this at a time when you are emotionally overtaken by your own sensory experiences, when you are going to ejaculate, for instance. At that time, you have to remember to do the Ashwini Mudra and Ojo's breathing, which can certainly not be controlled by everyone that easily. Therefore, we do not recommend this as a contraceptive technique. Having said that, our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi oftentimes has told us that this can be an effective contraceptive technique when practiced by the followers, by the aspirants on a regular basis over long period of time. And certainly this helps us to increase immunity, withstand the aging process, and postpone death to one's wishes. Visit kayakalpayoga.com and learn Kayakalpa Yoga and succeed in your life. Be blessed by the divine.